The dumbest thing someone has said was not their fault. My teacher gave us 30 minutes to finish an essay we had been working on for an entire week. Everyone was locked in, typing like their lives depended on it. Meanwhile, I was staring at my friend's soda like a man dying in the desert. I needed it. So, being the responsible student I am, I paused my work and made a deal. "I'll give you $1 for that." He thought about it, shrugged, and accepted. I pulled out my phone, sent him the money, and waited for my prize. But right before handing it over, this absolute menace of a human being looked me dead in the eyes and shook it like it was a snow globe. Now, I watched him do it. I saw it happen. But for some reason, my brain just went, yeah, this is fine. I turned back to my essay, took a deep breath, and popped it open. And that was the moment my entire existence collapsed. The soda erupted like a volcanic explosion, spraying everything in its path. My desk, ruined. My clothes, drenched. My entire essay, completely annihilated. Ink smudged. Pages soaked. My future, non-existent. I just sat there, drenched in shame, staring at my now unreadable essay like I had just witnessed a tragedy. Then, I turned to my so-called friend, and this absolute villain had the audacity to look me dead in the eyes and say, "That's not my fault. Sir, you shook it." I was so mad I almost threw the rest of the soda at him. Instead, I stormed to my teacher, holding the remains of my essay like it was a fallen soldier. I explained everything, and she just shook her head and went, "Your actions have consequences. In the real world, you have to learn to deal with them." What does that even mean? It was an accident, a crime against me, and yet, somehow, I was the one getting punished. I lost everything. My soda, my essay, my dignity. The worst part, I still failed, and my friend still kept my